Hey everybody, it is Taylor of Summer Del Sol here to diagnose what the heck is going on with my gauge cluster. So you can see I've got some sporadic readings here. Turns out I was missing a chopped ground. Hot tip from friends all across the Exocet community, black wires are typically ground. And I had missed 2 of them because they'd been lopped off. But no problem, I can do a quick hack job and let's see if it works. Let's go! Yeah, I think I've spoken for myself here. Yes! So here are the things that I need to be doing today. So I need to get some coolant in the radiator. I don't have fans currently, but it's not going to stay on for too long, so that shouldn't be an issue. I, of course, will need to fill up all of my cylinders here, the brake fluid, and get that clutch fluid going, which I guess is just brake fluid anyway. And I really want to make sure I've got my clearances right for my front brake lines. It's going to mount on a square tube underneath here once I test how far or how much slack I'll need for that. And I think off the top of my head that's just about it. I am concerned about that air fuel meter, or airflow meter. I may have messed that up a little bit in the disassembly phase, but we'll see. There are a few other things that might prevent it from starting, but I'm going to see what I can do to mitigate some of that today. Let's get started. I turned the wheel outward to see how much line I needed. Next, I installed the brake line with a P-clip provided from the kit. And of course, before anything gets fired, you want to check and make sure there is plenty of oil in there. I definitely was a little bit low, but I figured it was enough to try to start it. Next, I tightened up my fancy new headers. Then filled up the radiator with coolant once I knew all my pipes were connected. Mostly. And after wondering where all the coolant was coming from, made my own overflow tank. And then finally put about 2 gallons in to try and fire it up. And now for the live on Twitch, first attempt.
Please work. Okay. Ready? Wing it out. I'll never be ready. No! I've got nothing.
In my bundle of nerves state,
man.
I feel like I'm missing something.
That stinks.
A pedal maybe, of the clutch variety?
Is the battery just mega dead? Or something's up with the starter?
I took it as an L, but continued to tinker, and let's just say there's a little more video left.
Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys.
After all that, the car decided to poke a little fun. After assuming it was just a distant horn from a neighbor, I went about my business once more. Still have no idea.
It just beeped at me twice. Oh, I crossed a wire somewhere. And... I'm so dumb. Oh my god, I pushed the clutch in. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Oh my god! I didn't push the clutch in. That, you know. Yeah, that's. You want me to push the clutch in while you try it? Oh! God, I forgot to put the clutch in. We just spent how many minutes trying to bleed the clutch so we knew it would work, and then you don't use the clutch. Okay, for real this time. Wait, now I've lost it. It just did it. Wait, you have to put the clutch. Oh my god! Oh my god! What is wrong with me? Jesus! You are so patient. Come on! Come on! Come on, girl! Somebody's slapping around. Is it charged enough? Might be a little dead, but... Woo! But that, I mean, it's turning. Yeah, that's it. I hope I'm not screwing anything up, but it's turning. Trying to see if I smell gas. Come on. Come on. It's getting gas.
Because it's leaking it.
Woo! Yikes. Let's fix that real quick. It wants to so badly, and I do too. Come on. I might not have enough juice.
Well, that's the way it sounds.
Oh yeah, this sucker is red. Ugh! One more time. Come on, come on. I don't think I've got enough juice. Dang it. Final shot before I have to go. Didn't sound good. Of course, I had to celebrate with my mom. She's been such an integral part in this project and just everything growing up. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along. I hope you'll watch me finish this project. There's still plenty to do, but we definitely had to celebrate. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.